This is a video about my toilet. Look at it. It's a toilet inside the bowl. There's the... Wait, there's some... Toilet paper. That should be on there. Oh, here in people. But look at the toilet first. The lid. It's a toilet. Look at how it flushes. Oh, that was just a wasted flush, but still, look at it. It's awesome. Look at the toilet and its awesomeness. Return back for more awesome toiletness. Bye-bye.